How to install and download Bumble on Android. Want to start swiping and meeting new people? Let's get Bumble on your Android device right now. Unlock your phone and open the Google Play Store. In the source bar at the bottom right, type Bumble and hit search. Look for the bright yellow honeycomb logo. It's hard to miss. Tap Install and the download will begin. Watch the progress bar as the Bumble makes its way into your phone. Once it's done, tap Open. Bumble will launch and greet you with its welcome screen. From here, you can sign up using your phone number, Google account, or Facebook. Just pick whichever option works best for you. And that's it. Bumble is now installed and ready to use on your phone. Time to set up your profile, start swiping, and connect with new people. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick guides. Catch you in the next one.